Think meta descriptions aren't important? Think again. Follow these tips to write meta descriptions that entice searchers to click. Step 1. Use action-oriented language. Try starting your meta descriptions with verbs like learn or discover, and then include post specifics. Step 2. Provide a solution or benefit. Write a short sentence letting searchers know what they can expect from your post and why it's worth their time. Step 3. Keep it under 155 characters. Google cuts off meta descriptions when they reach a certain width. Keeping your copy to 155 characters is a safe benchmark to follow. Step 4. Don't deceive searchers. If your meta description is stuffed with irrelevant keywords and false information, searchers will quickly abandon your page. Step 5. Make it specific and relevant. Most searchers will skim right past a generic description. Make yours stand out by using descriptive words and avoiding fluffy language. By following these tips, you're sure to increase your website traffic.